Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore YouTube channel growth with Tubebuddy, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, download and install the Tubebuddy extension for your browser. Sign in to your YouTube account and connect it to Tubebuddy. Once connected, navigate to your YouTube dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the Tubebuddy interface. Start by analyzing your channel's current performance using the Analytics tool. Next, use the Keyword Explorer tool to find relevant keywords for your niche. Incorporate these keywords into your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Check the SEO Studio feature to optimize your videos for search engines. Make sure your thumbnails are eye-catching and relevant. Use Tubebuddy's A/B testing tool to compare different thumbnails and titles. Schedule your uploads to maintain a consistent posting schedule. Utilize the best time to publish feature to maximize initial viewership. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and creating community posts. Consider using Tubebuddy's promotion tools to share your videos on social media. Experiment with video ideas that reflect trending topics within your niche. Review your most successful videos for insights into what works. Adjust your content based on viewer feedback and analytics over time. Stay updated with Tubebuddy's latest features and enhancements. Continue to learn and adapt your strategies as your channel grows. With these steps, you can effectively restore your YouTube channel growth using Tubebuddy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.